Obibia akwaba shonko so area about Ghana politics avenue so you be show bibia say afi eno abedwumedi kese so like it, share, subscribe to the channel no say be political trending news be a coach cover ma be no Ghana politics avenue so and abusuan for native for ya japan say ya de bremo and then you call a dwaso and you call political highway no so no e say me brain aso akoten sem ni be ne say e say you know DVLA boss and I know about semi as a man who by United say a false accusation or more person or so a yes a bribe a 4 million Ghana cedis allegedly or more say or more so NPP gurus and such as here or more to and Yoma Abapak so to a Boba so a Prez.Mahama a president of Ghana Abem didn't see from Wabone Poco so I catch a brantia or a DVLA boss and they say a Julius Scott say Master Emma who don't worry and don't be under any pressure. Me Prez.Mahama obedient to me to what so I just me into relax na you adwuma feel free feel comfortable waka ama boy na akoma to ne waka ama boss na akoma to ne na akoma aba koma waba aba be declares wanje bribe bia omo disca na ma no ono na ka kire omo say na ni njo ono on pen so ebusuan for yen ko ne yonkuti ono anu muto ensem okafa ensem no me do bibia
I'm going to bribe 4 million Abraham and I'm reject here.
I don't know for Mama police.
They be those times so who say perception was said DVLA we are corrupt. So I didn't want to expose the whole that thing. No,
Organization.
Your speech will destroy the company. So I have to be very cautious.
But it could have been handled without the public
I didn't
knowing.
You see what happened is that they didn't come straight say company where media way. They passed through someone. The place I didn't even know. I said, no, I'm not. They just take this money off my office. Otherwise, I'll call police to arrest you. And they went. Now, some of them went to report me.
To who?
To Prez.Mahama. And he called me. Well, I have to explain myself. Let me salute John Mahama. My father.
Oh, yeah, then.
John Mahama. Okay, but he listened to them. He called me. I also gave him my sort of story. He said, Julius, go and work. Let nobody threaten to sack you. I'm the only person who can sack you. Go and work. What Ghanaians will see you do and they'll be happy with you, go and do it. But if you do anything that is not good, if you do any corrupt, if you engage in corruption, I will sack you.
How much?
Because I want to leave a legacy.
Okay.
I'll sack you. So go and work. What Ghanaians will be happy to hear that, oh, Julius did it, go and do it. You
have the full support of the president. It will come out to know who's actually. Now, 4 million bribe no the buy no.
No, person can want.
Oh, okay. Na busa. What can? What say?
No. Omunya
8 million
at the port.
Almost the 4 million bribe ne buy. Now, ne cedis are not dollars.
No, 4 million Ghana cedis.
4 million Ghana cedis. And I reject it.
Me was listening to your car. At least if not for anything, my salary in DVLA has gone up.
Okay.
So why would I? So,
but I'm okay.
I'm okay.
Tell more than salary.
I am a young guy. Oh, of course, Andrew. Yeah. I am a young guy, and I'm not in a haste to make money early. I'm in a haste to make name. Before I can make name, no, I have to make sure I'm putting good policies in place to make name. That is all I want. Good name is better than
riches.
Thank you.
So, Obia also Obia Sasan and Nama plate.
Maybe what's that? No. The number of DP plates, DP driven from ports. DP plate I issue Emma cars the port, the Takwari port. Total no 1,800. 1,800 no, it is too small for me because I had someone at customs who was giving me information. And also, okay, say customs can release about 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 number of cars at the end of every month. And then I hear 1,800 a month DVL because every car, every DV plate you issue is contaminous to a car or ports. So how can customs issue 6,000, 7,000, 8,000 cars, but DVLA will issue 1,800 stickers? And you know, it has only been 1,800. The only time they went high is 2,000. Then 1,800.
Now I shall drop it.
Then we call port February with my deputy. Cause yeah, giddy, only me, giddy, threatening them. You know, the next month, in the month February, report on the car, you know, about 5,000.
From 1,800
to
straight to 5,000.
Put all the figures down, about 5,000. And I'll be catching me say, boss, still and don't pay no meat one come. They are still doing things because yeah, no own investigation, only the idea. I'm not here to slant any political party, but there were 12 companies. Because Bawumia is signing a man, plates every. They distribute the plate on behalf of DVL at the port. These 12 companies, no, what they were doing is, example, a company, no, you have to supply the plate to DVL staff or more Temaport. And so when the plate to FA Yechi, and the man agents know straight. Because there's no means to check the authenticity whether it has passed through DVLA or not. 12 companies, and NPP 24 companies. A contest for president.
Hi.
So I cancelled all the 12. Julius Igwekote, I stood on my grounds.
Straight.
1 month notification. Cancelled all the 12. Straight. The power, I'm the chief executive.
Yes.
I cancelled all the 12. Then I employed staff, Ghanaians, to distribute the plate in the name of Ghana. And it came to 7,400.
As we speak.
No, I'm coming. It came to 7,400. Then we had the plate for Nusu Abumpini. Then me Haji Baji Gidi and our minister do friend say okay, they should do 50% of the plates. Then I would also do 50% of the stickers. Who say the stickers are bad? Now me got here busy as on the stickers to buy. Let me tell you, me buy now the proposal don't buy me no. Then I wasn't having a board, and so me call Minister Honorable Joseph Bukai Unikbe, and I signing money, and I call cabinet.
Okay.
And the cabinet approved it. So what shows you bought it? Why couldn't you sign? Because you were compromised by Lipman with money. That's why you couldn't sign. So as young boy to 38 years like me took a decision, rejected 4 million Ghana cedis, and signed. Then you want to take credit.
I see.
I rejected 4 million Ghana cedis and signed for the stickers. No, now I said the Ghana. But until I told them say. They want to report me to Prez.Mahama. President say, what's the issue? I explained everything to him. I said, look guys, go and do your work. Whatever decision you take, and Ghanaians will be happy with you. Go and take that decision. Nobody can threaten to sack you.
That's
go.
It.
Go and do your work. When I told say, in the month of February, nobody is going to issue any plates at the port again. Because Bobie, who the cars turn back now, who got top plates 2 hours. The turning now.
Just 8 Canadian.
Ako Ghana ain't just free. Bobie, as I speak with you now, the last time I checked, and you and me checking figures, in the month of August, we issued about 12,000 stickers.
Just this month.
Just August week. Yesterday, we've issued 8,000 already for September. It tells you, say, Obimu. We are about 8 million Ghana cedis from Ghana at the port to those times.
Charlie,
every month,
every month.
Yes,
8 million
now Ghana. That money goes to Ghana. I said I rejected 4 million Ghana. Me won't be that. Me who is a rich boy. Me Ni pe kote.
A bit ni bed be a hot mine.
Me few. Me papa fear German me na.
With them.
I rejected 4 million just to save Ghana that amount of money.
And now we are reckoning in 8 million Ghana.
Yes, now we are doing the last report. We did over 12,000 stickers at the ports. So Bobby, Nipebi at the Ghana, like they've stolen enough. They've stolen a lot of money.
Timia prepare me who about better hano. It's a whole deal. I tried that me bam. Mood in us swing it. We do a metu. I thought that me to be here will be answer and no pay me do am morning. Just one in fa You see? I no. I should to be in quatra. Baby, I know Kokasa Captain Smart band or pay no. Odu unusual of him. Odu morning. And I'm such yes, Adam, yea. Morning.
Oh, mamma, no way.
It is a chukoya. Now, it's a truck what time you issue statement. Say, Captain Smart band or pay no. Odu studio control room. Morning. When young cannabon thing. So I catch them say, Minister be at the policy bar. It's a young fan say Minister be, and we say be a problem. Now I didn't need a policy direction, but ever co cabinet, ever delay, any pabe yare, be say, and see on make a statement. Where so mini a year friend say, secretary to cabinet, ever issue statement. Wait, yeah, where? Look, sir. But I can't say we ain't buying way over. Goodwill now will enjoy no. Ghana for Jiwatum. SSR nipe bia O2 and a mom biano or careful. Why you careful at your how beba? Because they say no, this is the only government in the Fourth Republic. And I mean what your mama baso. Me ya me kan ya wa wudim me de be wu mu. Abanya yes sir kabiba min kabi e fa to so nan yase e wo mem ha wadi bosumi du asemboni bi ansi aban no scandal bi ambem ajejo mama Hey, Rollins 1992, ye two abani wiye, kikiri, ye swear ni in wiye pepe. A year so, Rollins 3 months. And a trouble by that time no more group your friend Mobby Squad. I choose any friend no.
Oh, I don't know.
Mobby Squad for 3 months. You did Rollins is here so. But so many and pepe and the Mobby Squad for say, Oma Bawumia. This is assembly be hey, tractor is here, pick up a war, a Diane a war, a day a war. Mobby Squad for say yes, said. Are they lie? It's that time of penny PV or being sorry, here be Kasaya and Akuffo tie. Ena, yeah, mommy, Dr. Mrs. Mary Grant. Actually, I don't know. Very good. Mommy, koko, fair. Also, sorry, here, ebe Kasaya, ho, cha, and Akuffo and Fanyasem. Mobby Squad for no, acting, can say, I'm a free press, a Troy. Yet you want your bad Akuffo. Hey, came bam! First scandal. Your Kwajibi says, a copy saloon. Are they lie? Baby, I am quite busy. I just said, "Oh, a barbering shop." You remember? Oh, and check. Anna, woman, dear, some say yampa, say yampa. Malamisa story no mokai. Say Malamisa, no a sports minister. When they are fit, and the king. Say yampo, say yampo. A scandal. That's what I'm talking about. It. I am not saying Malam Issa perpetuated any crime. That is not what I am saying. But I'm saying that something of the sort actually cropped and was cooked for that administration to enjoy.
He is smart.
And when you know, other things, Esiyama, Professor Kasim Kasanga, the first ever Greek minister under J. Akuffo, Kwana kwa kramango bra na yenduya $21 million papa ni de mango dua 3 mango dua 3
Confusing has come.
who here no now about Professor John Evans 50 Tamils first time less than 1 year why only 51 million Ghana cedis you remember it was a blast. So many other things happened.
Why you me?
As for Nanado, dear, me that man, and then my minchim, I am Professor Captain won't pay Nanado as Debbie. What's it? My minchim ye. Nanado Ankasa as nipper. When you need chair me, when you need chair me, mammy, when you need chair me, papa. It is said Nanado Ankasano, Mibuno. Me penasem me dono but na memwo e fun eno me mpe the fact that a certain woman is still married to a certain man does not mean the man is an angel. Sometimes you have to marry the nonsense of certain men and you have to marry the stupidity of certain women. Nanado as an individual, me penasem. Because my catch was me kuta ni nsuo da mpese me kuna ka me kunu no. Ka me so the poison ni bi gum. He said the NPP for kum John Kuma no. And why we just be then you can't change my mind. NPP for the man John Kuma poison. NPP for na and on ma no bo and the appear could be poison. So
Confusing has come.
What killed Hawaii Yakubu?
Confusing has come.
Even Kojo Baredu kura. What happened before Kojo Baredu? Me yam. Obi an yam we say stress.
Confusing has come.
Mr. Achu, we yam yo ya stress it me we yam yo ya. Mo fa medical doctor bi ba me say we yam betimi ayo ya. And you say stress na ma we yam yo ya.
Understand what?
Order me yam team.
Understand was not come.
Yeah, stress. No problem.
Confusing has come.
Mo publish it. Retired major. Current Kwashiga autopsy report. And sometimes I just want to shut up. And to what do you say make kasapa ma men kan kwasem pa nyame ni munchiro. In some na men kan wuchem 1000 afei na maka 1. I can 999. The American officer so no maka 1 out of 1999 that good them. NPP who nyini wo NPP no wan careful you be kum me catch your plane. You be ma poison. Me wura NPP pa because anam digini ya me de no. Me pesa wo te ase ba me. Me nyini NPP. Me nyini ye NPP. Me de ye NPP. It's 2016 kura me kan wa dum say wo twa me moja obehu red, blue and white. Sa part no gro ho. Wo mutu nro cha NDC for. Wo ma me catch no. Me ma be NPP. Pa cha NDC. Me be NDC kakra. Oh mo ya. NPP for ye tu nro. Ye de timi se na ntwa tuntum awia. Hey, hold on. then 22 so yensie na wia yensie na anajo fita na yensie na wia yen yetimi ye yakoma de ehu buruta me do nyame you have no idea party yetimi se sadwo so gu ankrem etu ka fi grai e de kwasrem wunzuro ye me wugu won be kun simple. I'm telling you today. It is a way a young man now when people now win to say me. You're careful. Why am I when you and the whole quite years and did who party men did ye be because honorable appear could a year say NPP CEO say MP na year say or call your coordinator this so man says yeah telling so. It's in another scandal. First time, I shall say just 2 months. 2 months. Busumi you pepe. It is a what's not now sharp member power 4th Republic in one. John Dramani Mahama member pa. And what the Busumi do asem here. 95.1. Say presenters no more newspapers and so my morning show munya samonka. Me no kura no meka ya sa akira wo pata me fa wo me kro wo ya be wo me se no ho me hu Ghana say ye kro because anu amembo na ketwa bi Ghana kwan ya ye wo na all our roads a 3 years project and nobody can tell me say mfie nwotwe no aya na sa say de bi kan say wo ya ban na wadwen ye adwuma wonim nyansa so be ye adwuma Ghana roads na a 3 years project. Another discussion. This is the only administration in the 4th Republic. What did Busumi do? And they are 29. Yet this a vinyl scandal. BS.
should be BOJ a penny educated media between so you don't be a see a handle me Ghana politics avenue so ocean and my room is over like over subscribe to the channel no say about political trending news bia yen so ya depend say ya de bebremo and ya bedwa for ugusu a ocean no ya be show say won sen ka ya fa comment section on say ya be ya betimi ade ho nketa ho de abom ya do bibia se na ha en embre e ma ye kwan say ye mfa ebusuafo ene adofo no munsi ya be kram bye bye.